It has been 7 months of using the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and experiencing the awesomeness of Samsung's Galaxy AI. Galaxy AI introduced the world of AI to Samsung devices, and it has been loads of fun learning about Galaxy AI and testing out the features, such as Circle to Search, which lets you circle an object to get instant search results. This has come in handy so many times when I needed to search something on my screen or in front of me. Some of my favorite Galaxy AI features would have to be the Galaxy AI photo editing features, since I'm always capturing content on my phone, and the S24 Ultra makes capturing content easy, even in low light conditions. Some of the standout Galaxy AI photo editing tools would be the ability to remove objects from an image or straighten an image and then let generative AI fill in the space. And the instant Slo-mo feature is also pretty cool, as it lets you relive the moment and see every detail just by pressing on a video. And then, on the work side of things, Web Assist saves me loads of time by giving me summaries of articles, whether long or short. Note Assist really does come in handy to summarize your notes, auto-format them, and get meter notes. Transcript Assist generates transcripts from your voice recordings, which you can then turn into summaries thanks to Galaxy AI. Galaxy AI has really changed what I can do with my phone. It has also reduced the amount of work needed for tasks, giving me more free time to do what I enjoy.